Thank you, my guys. This is the view of the house which I'm building back in my village for poultry farming. Watch and support me. Thank you.